Hey, what if you need to reinstall Windows and there is no flash drive? It's okay, you can still run the Windows installer and do everything the same as with a USB flash drive. In this tutorial we will consider two ways to install or reinstall Windows without media. The first thing we need is an ISO Windows installation image. I recommend you to download it from the official Microsoft website if possible. Not every edition can be downloaded like that, but the usual Windows 10 Home or Pro versions are easy. To do this, simply search Download Windows 10 ISO and go to the Microsoft website. In this video we will consider the topic using the example of Windows 10, but everything is suitable for other versions of Windows. We go down below and choose to download tool now. Run the downloaded file, accept the terms, then select Create Installation Media. You can choose the language and architecture, and you will need at least 8 GB of free space on the C drive. On the next page, since we do not have a flash drive, we select the ISO file. Determine the location on the disk where it is downloaded and the download begins. And then the image is created. These steps will take you about 10 minutes of time, depending on your internet speed. Now we have an ISO formatted Windows installation image and we can proceed to reinstall the system. There will be two ways to do this. The first way is a little easier, but it also has its drawbacks. It consists in creating a virtual drive and starting Windows installation from it. Use the program Diamond Tools. On the official website, download the light version and launch it. Links to all sites are in description. Here we select Free license. Here we select Free again and continue. Next, and at the end of the installation, run. All you need to do is double-click on Windows ISO file, and it is defined as DVD disk. Open it and click Setup. The Windows installation program will start. This program will reinstall your system in the simplest possible way. You just need to follow the instructions and agree. For example, one of the first steps is to choose do you need updates. On my PC, Windows 10 is already activated as home version. Maybe you will need to enter a key here. By the way, this will determine which edition, Home or Professional, will be installed. If you do not have a key yet, you can purchase one on the website ULaptop. Here are the most profitable options for purchasing a license for Windows. There are technical support, a guarantee and hundreds of satisfied customers from all over the world. After that, choose the installation option. First option, if you have the same Windows edition installed now, then it will simply be updated or reset to factory settings, saving your personal files and applications. And it is not a very good option because all bugs will be saved too. Why then reinstall at all? Second option clears your current Windows and installs a new one. At the same time, the system will save your personal files. This is the best way, because option 3 will clean your entire disk and all your files, but it will install a fresh Windows. That's all. Updates are in progress, and after clicking Install, the process begins. The computer will reboot several times and your system will be installed. All that remains is to make the final settings for your account. This way is simple, but the disadvantage is that it deprives you of the opportunity to do good clean install under your control, without fear for your personal files, and select a disk partition to install. The second way to install Windows without media doesn't have these disadvantages. We will start the installation of Windows not from a USB flash drive, but from one of the hard disk partitions. To do this, first prepare a boot partition. In the start, write Computer Management and start this program. On the left, find Disk Management. You can use one of the existing partitions, or better, create a new one. To do this, select a partition where there is a lot of free space, click to shrink the volume, indicate how many megabytes to separate, 5 GB enough for us. And on the empty space, create a new volume and format it. Now we have a new empty partition called J. We need to copy the files from the installation image to it. If we already have Daemon Tools installed, then open the virtual drive and copy the files from it. If not, then just open the ISO image file using the Archiver program. WinRAR or 7-zip, select all the files and unpack them to disk J. The next step is to add a boot record to the Windows bootloader so that when the computer is turned on, it will boot from disk J. It is simple and safe to do this through the EasyBCD program. Download the free version from the official website. To do this, you need to register, which is very simple. You just need to enter your name and email, and the program is downloaded. Install it as usual and run it. You can choose language. On the left, select Add New Entry. At the bottom, click on the WinPE tab. Path, we find our partition J, folder Services, file boot.vim, and click on the green plus sign. The record has been created. Reboot the computer and see that a second entry has appeared in the bootloader. We need to select it. The installation starts as usual with a USB flash drive, and everything will happen in the same way, but rather even faster, especially if you have an SSD disk. By the way, this is another plus of this method. In addition, this method will work if you need to reinstall Windows on a non-working PC. Do everything that we discussed above on a working computer, then take out a hard drive and connect it to the computer on which you want to install Windows. There are many options for how to implement this. After installation, we can cancel all changes. If you need, delete the entry at EasyBCD, and at Disk Management, delete the partition we created, and use the Expand Volume function to return everything as it was. Wondering which of the two methods suits you best? Write about it in the comments. Remember that liking and subscribing to our channel is a good way to remember about our channel and not miss new videos. See you on there!